Proponents of ACV claim that it can help regulate heart rhythm and reduce the frequency of palpitations. But how valid are these claims? Let's explore the mechanisms through which ACV might affect heart health. Among the many home remedies touted for alleviating heart palpitations, apple cider vinegar, ACV, has gained popularity. In this comprehensive video, we will explore the potential benefits of ACV, the science behind its effects, and whether it can be an effective remedy for heart palpitations. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is a type of vinegar made from fermented apple juice. It is widely used in cooking, but it also has a long history as a home remedy for various ailments. ACV contains acetic acid, which is believed to provide a range of health benefits, including improved digestion, better blood sugar control, and enhanced heart health. The primary active component in ACV, acetic acid, is thought to be responsible for many of its health benefits. Vitamins and minerals. ACV contains small amounts of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Probiotics. Raw, unfiltered ACV contains beneficial bacteria, which may support gut health. Balancing electrolytes. Electrolytes, such as potassium and magnesium, play a critical role in maintaining a healthy heart rhythm. Imbalances in these minerals can lead to palpitations. ACV contains small amounts of potassium and magnesium, which could help support electrolyte balance. However, the levels of these minerals in ACV are relatively low, so it may not be sufficient on its own to correct significant deficiencies. 2. Regulating blood sugar levels. Blood sugar fluctuations are a known trigger for heart palpitations. When blood sugar levels drop too low, hypoglycemia, or spike too high, hyperglycemia, the body can release stress hormones like adrenaline, which can cause the heart to race. ACV has been shown in some studies to improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels, which could theoretically reduce the risk of palpitations related to blood sugar imbalances. 3. Supporting digestion and gut health. Digestive issues, such as acid reflux and GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disease, can trigger heart palpitations. The vagus nerve, which runs from the brain to the abdomen, plays a role in regulating heart rate. 1. Irritation of this nerve due to digestive issues can lead to palpitations. 2. ACV is often used as a natural remedy to improve digestion and reduce symptoms of acid reflux, which could indirectly help reduce palpitations. 3. 4. Alkalizing effect on the body. Some proponents of ACV suggest that it has an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help balance pH levels. 4. While the idea of alkalizing is somewhat controversial in the medical community, it's believed that maintaining a proper pH balance in the body is essential for optimal health. Extreme pH imbalances, alkalosis or acidosis, can disrupt heart rhythm, so if ACV does help balance pH, it could potentially have a positive effect on heart health. The scientific evidence. While the proposed mechanisms suggest that apple cider vinegar might help with heart palpitations, it's important to evaluate the scientific evidence supporting these claims. 1. Electrolyte balance. There is limited scientific evidence specifically linking ACV to improved electrolyte balance. While ACV does contain potassium and magnesium, the amounts are minimal, and there is no conclusive research showing that ACV alone can correct electrolyte imbalances sufficient to prevent heart palpitations. 2. Blood sugar regulation. Several studies have shown that ACV can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. For example, a study published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that consuming ACV before a meal led to lower blood glucose levels in participants. However, while this suggests a potential benefit for individuals with blood sugar-related palpitations, more research is needed to confirm ACV's effectiveness in this context. 3. Digestive health. ACV is commonly used as a natural remedy for acid reflux, but scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness is mixed. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Experimental Cardiology suggested that lifestyle changes, including dietary adjustments, are more effective at managing acid reflux and its related symptoms than ACV alone. While ACV might help some individuals with mild reflux, it is unlikely to be a definitive solution for heart palpitations caused by digestive issues. 4. Alkalizing effect. The idea that ACV can alkalize the body is based more on anecdotal evidence than scientific research. The body tightly regulates its pH levels, and while diet can influence the pH of urine, it has little effect on the overall pH balance of the body. There is no strong scientific evidence to suggest that ACV has a significant impact on systemic pH levels or that it can prevent heart palpitations through this mechanism. Potential risks and considerations. While apple cider vinegar is generally considered safe for most people, there are some potential risks and side effects to be aware of, especially when used in large amounts or over an extended period. 1. Tooth enamel erosion. ACV is highly acidic, and frequent consumption can erode tooth enamel, leading to increased sensitivity and a higher risk of cavities. To minimize this risk, it's advisable to dilute ACV in water and avoid brushing your teeth immediately after consuming it. 2. Gastrointestinal irritation. In some individuals, ACV can cause gastrointestinal irritation, including nausea, stomach pain, and acid reflux. If you have a sensitive stomach or a history of digestive issues, you may want to consult with a healthcare provider before using ACV as a remedy. 3. Interaction with medications. ACV can interact with certain medications, including diuretics, insulin, and other diabetes medications. These interactions can lead to dangerously low potassium levels or blood sugar levels. If you are taking any medications, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before incorporating ACV into your routine. 4. Overconsumption. While ACV has potential health benefits, more is not always better. Overconsumption of ACV can lead to low potassium levels, hyperkalemia, which can actually worsen heart palpitations. It's important to use ACV in moderation and to consider it as part of a broader approach to health, rather than a cure-all. Practical tips for using apple cider vinegar. If you're interested in trying apple cider vinegar to help with heart palpitations, here are some practical tips to do so safely. Start with small amounts. Begin with a small amount of diluted ACV, 1–2 teaspoons in a glass of water, and see how your body responds. You can gradually increase the amount if you tolerate it well. Use it as part of a balanced diet. Incorporate ACV into a balanced diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid relying solely on ACV as a remedy. Monitor your symptoms. Keep track of your heart palpitations and any other symptoms you experience while using ACV. If your symptoms worsen or do not improve, consult with a healthcare provider. Consult a healthcare provider. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before using ACV as a remedy. Can apple cider vinegar fix heart palpitations? Apple cider vinegar is a popular natural remedy with potential health benefits, including some effects on blood sugar regulation and digestion. However, when it comes to fixing heart palpitations, the evidence is limited and largely anecdotal. While ACV may help with certain conditions that contribute to palpitations, such as blood sugar fluctuations or mild digestive issues, it is not a guaranteed or standalone solution. For individuals experiencing heart palpitations, it's important to consider a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and medical treatment if necessary. If you choose to use apple cider vinegar as part of your regimen, do so with caution, and always consult with doctor.